In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically create multiple subfolders in an existing Google Drive folder using just a Google spreadsheet and a little bit of Google Apps script. First, open a new Google Sheet. In column A, list the names of the subfolders you want to create. For example, marketing, sales, finance, product development, production, and so on. Next, go to your Google Drive and open the parent folder where you want the subfolders to go. Copy the folder ID from the URL. Go back to your Google Sheet, click on Extensions, then Apps Script. Replace the default code with the script below. The code is mentioned below in the description for your reference. Don't forget to paste your folder ID. Click on Save to Drive and rename the project name. Now click the Run button. The first time you run it, you'll need to authorize the script. Just follow the prompts and grant permissions. Now let's open the selected drive, where we need to create subfolders. That's it! Your folders are now created inside your selected Google Drive folder, directly from the spreadsheet.